Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem area and trimming everything unnecessary so the stabilizer has less motion to analyze. Once done, confirm your clip matches the sequence frame rate and resolution. Mismatches confuse the algorithm and create artifacts. If your edit is complex, make a nested sequence. This preserves effects and makes stabilization predictable. You're avoiding wasted processing time and reducing warping issues later, and that setup increases the chance of a clean, high-quality result. You apply warp stabilizer and let it analyze fully. Do not interrupt that first pass because incomplete analysis yields poor motion estimates. Then adjust smoothness starting low, about 5 to 15%, so you preserve natural motion. Increase slowly if jitter remains. Switch from subspace warp to position, scale, rotation if you see pulling or distorted edges. Make sure to preview at full resolution and render short segments to verify changes before committing to a longer reanalyze. You finalize by rendering and reviewing critical frames to ensure no warps or rolling artifacts remain. If you spot distortion, make targeted fixes. Use a mask to exclude problematic areas, lower smoothness, or change the method to position, scale, rotation to stop subspace warping. If that still fails, track key points and stabilize via manual corner pin or revert to frame-by-frame stabilization. Remember this troubleshooting tip. Isolate the smallest failing segment and test fixes there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.